Must try 5 yummy and easy dessert recipes. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy refreshing desserts. These simple yet scrumptious recipes will delight both kids and adults. Let's create some sweet summer memories together. Recipe 1: Crispy Apple Pancakes. Ingredients: 1 apple, 2 large eggs, sugar, milk. Instructions: 1. Prepare the apple, cut the apple into thick slices. 2. Beat the eggs. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs well. Combine. Dip each apple slice into the beaten eggs, ensuring they are fully coated. 4. Air fry. Preheat the air fryer to 160°F. And air fry the coated apple slices for 25 minutes. 5. Serve, cut into small pieces and enjoy. Recipe 2: Sweet Pineapple Buns. Ingredients: 1 ripe pineapple. Steamed spring rolls, enough to wrap each pineapple piece. Instructions: 1. Prepare the pineapple. Peel the pineapple and cut it into thick donut slices. 2. Wrap. Take a piece of spring roll, slice to stripes. Wrapper and wrap it around each pineapple slice. Brush some butter or oil. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. 3. Air fry. Preheat the air fryer to 180°C. And air fry the wrapped pineapple for 15 minutes. 4. Serve. Let cool for a bit and then serve. Recipe 3: Crispy Banana Pancakes. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas. Pancake batter, your favorite recipe. Egg yolk for brushing. Sesame seeds for sprinkling. Instructions: 1. Prepare the pancake base. Make your favorite pancake batter or use spring roll skins. 2. Add bananas. After cooking the pancakes, soften the bananas and roll them up inside the pancake. Cut the rolled pancakes into bite-sized pieces. 3. Brush and sprinkle. Brush each piece with egg yolk and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. 4. Air fry. Air fry at 180°C for 12 minutes. 5. Serve. Enjoy these amazing pancakes for breakfast or as a snack. Recipe 4: Red Bean Buns. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 150 ml milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, sweet honey red beans, canned or cooked, evaporated milk for drizzling. Instructions: 1. Beat the egg mixture. Beat the eggs with sugar and milk in a bowl. 2. Incorporate beans. Mix in sweet honey red beans until well combined. 3. Bake. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and bake in the air fryer at 180°C for 15-20 minutes. 4. Serve. Drizzle with evaporated milk and enjoy this delightful treat. Recipe 5: Silky Smooth Milk Coconut Pudding Cake. Ingredients: pudding cornstarch, 40° sugar, 500 ml milk, 10° shredded coconut, topping. Instructions: 1. Mix ingredients. In a bowl, combine cornstarch, sugar, and milk. Whisk thoroughly until smooth. 2. Cook. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and cook over medium heat while stirring constantly until thickened. 3. Chill. Pour the thickened mixture into a bowl and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. 4. Demold and serve. 1 set. Demold the pudding and finish with a sprinkle of shredded coconut as toppings. It's irresistibly delicious. Lock these recipes in. You'll impress everyone with your delicious creations. Happy cooking! Enjoy your sweet treats.